Hello everybody, and today is a special Kerbal video because I now have 50 subscribers. So anyway, we are now launching 10 new Kerbals plus science experiments to the space station. Problem is I forgot 8 Kerbals, only brought 2, but there is space for 10 Kerbals, that's what counts. At 55 subscribers, I will launch how many Kerbals do I need now? It's like over 30. I will launch all the missing Kerbals at 55 subscribers. Just because I feel like we need to put the missing Kerbals on the space station. Okay, yeah, and then at 60 subscribers, we'll just continue as normal. We're halfway to 100, so that's fun. Anyway, yeah, as you can see, I've made a maneuver. And we can turn on the engine in 3. Wait, not 3. It's like 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, this is at 4 times speed, by the way. The launch was at 2 times speed. Yeah. So anyway, you can see the rocket over there. I really regret putting it in that orbit because I thought it would be cool or something, because then it can orbit more of the Earth. But it's not a polar orbit, so it's basically a waste of time. Because if it was in a polar orbit, then I could do like surface scans and stuff. So not sure what to do. Okay, anyway, pointing anti-normal. I think that's what that's called. Yeah, it's anti-normal. Okay, to get the same inclination. Okay, now I can make a maneuver. Now, for some reason, none of the maneuvers I made were any good, so I had to like keep retrying and retrying for hours. Like, not for hours. For 5 minutes. That's hours, okay? Well, okay, anyway, as you can see, I'm making the maneuvers now. Thanks to everybody for subscribing to get me to 50. I appreciate it. Okay, now notice how the separation is 3.8 kilometers when we finish the maneuver. That is not good. That is not close enough. I like to be within 2 kilometers, but I couldn't get it any better than that, so. And as you'll see, it made my life more difficult. So now I'm going to point retrograde to the target, which means I'm not pointing retrograde to the orbit where I could like fire my engines and then land. It will slow me down relative to the target, so we go at the same relative speed. Hopefully I explained that well. Okay, as you can see, we're very far away, and I'm normally way closer when I do this. I can now point target, and I can leave my engine on for way too long. That, by the way, is way too long if you're going at 30 meters per second. You shouldn't go faster than 10, but because I'm so far away. Like, this is how close I would normally start. And yeah, I time warped and then I accidentally crashed into the space station. Loaded a quick save that I made, and I time warped so I would teleport through the space station. Yes, if you're about to crash into like something that's in orbit, just time warp and you'll go through it. That is something that is broken in Kerbal. Okay, anyway, we can now finish doing this. Sorry about it being nighttime. But there are lights. See, you can see that this space station has lights, but you can't really see anything at all. Well, I could see things, but for some reason on YouTube, it's way darker. But you can sort of see that, right? That was at normal speed, by the way. That was at normal speed. Yes, I was going really fast. Okay, now we're at 4 times speed again, because I'm like, we're not in a circular orbit. And for some reason, I was just like, I need to fix this. I want a circular orbit. So I made a maneuver that would take 3 meters per second of delta V. I had extra delta V, so I'm like, why not? To change my orbit by a few kilometers. Maybe I thought the video was too short. This was like, I think this was half an hour of playing though. I don't know. Okay, so you can see how the space station looks now. Very cool. Oh, I did the burn. Haha, we didn't even notice. You guys might have noticed, but I didn't doing this voiceover. Okay, now I'm deploying all of the science experiments that I brought. And there's more things. Oh, this is the cool bit though. I have a little thing here, and there's another spacecraft on the other side. I can decouple once there's a Kerbal on board, and you can like explore around the space station. We're not going to explore too far in this video because I just wanted to show you what it could do. Okay, so I found the Kerbal. I couldn't find one because like all empty. Okay, so transfer the Kerbal. And now we can decouple. Okay, and not pointing the camera. Okay, good. As you can see, it has an engine that can fly, and a solar panel to make power, some scanning things, other science experiments that you can see right there. So there's also more science experiments on the actual space station hidden in the doors there, because those landing things actually have doors in them to put science experiments. So thanks for watching. That is the end of this video. I will see you on my next Kerbal video. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And we're at 50 subscribers. Oh, you can see there now. See? Yeah, that's what I wanted to show you. I will see you on my next Kerbal video. Please like and subscribe. And goodbye.